it's fantastic to have the new teaching kitchen up and running. We've produced some great food already. Everyone's learning where everything lives. Everything's being kept nice and neat and tidy and clean. So that's important, and yeah, it's functioning really, really well. We're all very happy in here. For the students, everybody that comes in this room smiles, which for me is amazing before we've even started cooking. The light's great, everyone can find their way around, they can see where all the equipment is, and most importantly, when they're cooking, they are cooking independently. I am standing watching and they really have to do things on their own. Whereas before, when we were sort of tripping over each other and herding people around the little kitchen, in here they actually have to stand on their own 2 feet. With our cooking courses, our culinary courses, we're starting at a level 1. Which is a Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality qualification, which is a basic cookery certificate. It's great, it covers everything from making pastry and bread to easy meals, health and safety, healthy eating. It's real good grounding for when you start cooking. The level 2 certificate in professional cookery, which is a step up. It covers some really good skills. Cooking things all at the same time, organisation, again a little bit further with the health and safety, and involved in that course as well we do a little bit of costing and making time plans and things like that. So Felix, what sort of things have you been doing in the new kitchen so far?
I've cooked potted crab. A couple weeks ago we did chicken shawarma. Today we're doing roast guinea fowl.
Can you tell us anything that's been made easier or better by having the new space?
Just everything in general, really. The bigger space, more equipment.
Is there anything in particular coming up that you're really looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to Christmas as it's coming up, because we're doing a lot of Christmassy cooking, like mince pie, macarons, Christmas cake, and the Christmas dinner for EMA.
For all the staff and students?
Yeah, which will be a lot more easier in the new kitchen.
We're then moving on to the level 3, which is again a little bit more, and in the level 3, everything just gets a bit more involved. The recipes are bigger, so there are more techniques involved in a single recipe. It's bringing everything together, it's transferring all the skills that you've learned, and moving forward with slightly more advanced food. We're going to be offering a barista skills level 2, which is going to be talking about not just making coffee, but production of coffee, storing of coffee, and all the little bits and bobs that you need to know about making the perfect cup. We'll also be offering a housekeeping qualification, which is all about making beds and keeping bathrooms clean and all that kind of thing. So it's all about going into the hospitality industry, into really any avenue. We will have most of it covered.